So now continue to our previous topic. The process of transmission of alphabet AI to BJ is called conditional probability or transmission probability. Suppose A1 equals to 0, 0 and B1 equals to also 0, 0, B2 equals to 0, 1, B3 equals to 1, 0 and B4 equals to 1, 1. Now when A1 is sent and B1 is received, then there is no error occur during transmission as A1 equals to B1. The transmission probability for that is represented by PB1 by A1. Similarly, when B2 is received, probability for that is P1 by A1. Sorry, PB2 by A1. Similarly, when B3 is received, probability is PB3 by A1 and B4 is when received, the transmission probability is PB4 by A1. As I know, the sum of all probability is 1, hence this PB1 by A1 plus PB2 by A1 plus PB3 by A1 and PB4 by A1 all are when added it equals to unity. In generalized form, if there are s number of output, then the formula is denoted by P of B1 by A1 plus P of B2 by A1 plus this continued up to PBS by A1 equals to 0. Sorry, 1. It is for the first input A1 only, but this is hold true for all the input symbol AI. So the formula can be rewritten as summation of j equals to 1 to s p of b j by ai equals to 1, where I equals to 1 to r. So therefore sum of all the element of any row of the channel matrix is equal to unity. So the form of channel matrix is rewritten like the following figure. All the transmission probability are written in a matrix form where all column elements are denoted by output y1 up to ys and row elements are denoted by p of x1 to xr. So the channel matrix is a matrix that contains input as row and output as column with n into m number of conditional probability, where summation of j equals to 1 to m p of yj by xi equals to 1, where I equals to 1 to 1, 2, 3 up to n. With the help of probability theory, we know that P of B by A equals to PAB by BA, where PAB equals to joint probability. So we can write P of Xi into Yj equals to P of Yj by Xi into P of Xi. We named as it is equation 1. Now if we add all the joint probability is for the fixed Yj, then we will get a value of P of Yj. So summation of I equals to 1 to n P of Xi Yj equals to P of Yj. Because each column element when added, the summation will be unity and the value represents the output symbols Yj. Now P of Yj equals to summation of I equals to 1 to n P of Yj by Xi into Pxi. Equation 1 represents input of the channel matrix and equation 2 represents output. So this is for the today's topic. Remember the formula used in this topic. If you have any doubt, ask me in the Google Classroom comment box. Thank you.